as far as other updates, I have one more update that includes an unboxing.
Oh.
You see this big boxing in front of us, right?
Yes, I do.
Our friends at the clam place. Remember the clam story we did?
Yes.
About Clam-O-Naise being sold out at Target?
Yes.
Well, they've restocked.
Oh.
They also
okay.
reached out to me and said, hey, thanks so much for talking about Clam-O-Naise. We're going to send you a box.
Really?
They did.
Awesome.
You should see this box. It's the Cards Against Humanity clam bonus box.
I'm pretty excited, y'all.
I knew you would be. I knew you would be. Here, open this.
Ooh. Is that a shirt? Oh, you know I love my shirt.
Wait, hang on. I'm not even, how do I show this? Oh, I can do this camera. Hang on. Where's the back? Where is it? Oh, I need to do this thing. There it is. This is the big box.
Ta-da!
You see the camera up there, right?
Yes, I do.
So anyway. This is
Clam-O-Naise, y'all.
Here's a hat that says creamy on it.
Awesome.
Oops, where'd it go? Where's me solo? Here we go. Creamy on the hat. That's kind of cool.
The tag on the shirt says, "Nothing is real, all is chaos. Eat more clams."
Say it again.
Nothing is real, all is chaos. Eat more clams.
Eat more clams. This is another tangy hat. Let me see. What else they sent me is this book. Oops, let me get back to both of us. There's the book.
What is this book? Clammy Dick by Herman Clanville.
Hold it up to the camera, hon. There you go. Ta-da! It's a real live book full of stuff. I mean, full of pages. Oh, come on, computer. What the heck? I hit the wrong. I bet too much. There's too much junk over here. Wait, here's one more. Look at this box. This is the Clams Against Humanity card set.
Wow,
this thing weighs.
A clamps calamity.
This weighs so much. It's full. I mean, I don't know how many cards are in here. Because in the jar, you get 30 cards.
Okay.
In the jar. So this obviously is not in the jar. I don't know how many cards this is. But this is a huge set. Oh, a couple of bumper stickers. Another t-shirt.
Awesome.
I'll give you a bumper sticker if you put it on your car.
Hell yes, I'll put it on my car.
Oh, shoot. I believe in mayonnaise. I clam do anything. Which one do you want?
Awesome.
You don't have to put it in your car. I'm kidding. Put it on your fridge at home though if you want. Let me try to get this one out. Oh, here we go. Here's a good one. A last super bonus, cool bonus is shirt. It's shirts all the same, I think.
I'm opening this book.
Oh, okay, cool.
What's in the small box, Rich?
Something breakable that's not broken, thank goodness.
Oh, goodness.
It's a mug. It says, "Don't talk to me till I've had my Clam-O-Naise."
Awesome.
Clever, huh?
Yes. And if you ever wonder whether or not promotional products are worth their money, just think about how excited I just got over all of this merch.
It's cool. And it's quality stuff. It's not just, I mean, that mug is heavy. I mean, it's a really, really heavy, I don't know. It's a heavy diner mug. It's really nice. All right.
I'm sorry, y'all. I've got to open this book.
Does it really got words on the pages, or is it just a notebook?
Looking.
It does have words on it. It's the whole story.
It is a legit entire story, y'all.
Whoever Herman Clanville is. Anyway.
Yeah.
Cool.
Wow.
I knew you'd get a kick out of that. But anyway.
Call me Ishmael. Oh, I'm so excited about this.
All right, cool. Man, I wish this was live. We really got some chuckles out of somebody. My shout outs to the clam people.
Yes.
To the Cards Against Humanity Clams Acclamped You Calamity folks for sending us that out. If you want us to talk about your stuff, hit us up. We'll talk about your stuff too.